Join Rick Péwé and the Gone-Gpn crew for a week of flat fenders and high-altitude adventure during the 14th annual Colorado Flat Fender Club Fall Color Tour. It's arrival and check-in day here at Thirsty Dirt Ranch in central Colorado. Over 50 vintage Jeeps from around the U.S. have made the trek to the mountains for some wheeling through the fall foliage. There are a lot of unique Flatties that are in attendance at Fall Color Tour.
So we're here with Ned Bacon and his CJ3A. Wow, what a difference.
These two awesome Willies made the trip to Normandy, France for the 75th anniversary of D-Day in 2019.
Fuel pump crapped out. Ran down to the sugar shack to top off the fuel and get some ice, and came back, had a flat tire and a dead fuel pump. So got the tire fixed. Now we're just working on getting a fuel pump back up and running, hopefully so we can go Jeeping tomorrow.
Yeah, well, I did, and I told
I'll do it. So we're giving this one some 91 octane. We don't need 91 octane for this motor. However, check this out. Contains no ethanol. So I don't care the cost because that ethanol will tear up all your rubber hoses, carburetors, fuel pumps, everything. It's terrible stuff. So, pay a little extra, get a little premium fuel, maybe make things last a little longer. It's worth it in the long run. You get what you pay for.
Good morning, Fall Color Tour. Good morning. All right.
Day one Fall Color Tour. We're going on an all-day ride. We're having Mike Picard, the leader, taking us out.
Good morning. My name's Mike Picard, and I'm the guide for today's tour. And today's tour, we're going up to Boss Lake in central Colorado. And then we're going to go up through a couple of marble mines. It'll take us most of the day, and we'll probably drive about 60 or 70 miles on dirt and gravel roads. Get off the highway and finally get on a trail. Stop here for a 5 to 10 minute break. We'll let everybody take a look at their machines if they've got some problems they want to check out. Got one of our Jeeps that is flooding a little bit. We've arrived at Boss Lake. high in the Colorado Rockies. This is a natural lake that was expanded by a reservoir dam in the 1870s. And now it's just operated as if it was a natural lake. And we're going to stop here for our lunch break. You can see some of the Jeeps in the background and the lake off to your right. And it's full of greenback cutthroat trout, which is Colorado's state fish. Well, in the mountains, they tend to draw clouds and they create their own weather sometimes. And that's what these mountains have done today, and they're providing us some much needed rain. And I'm glad we have a top on the Jeep because it's coming down.
Tail gunner is caught up.
Okay, tail gunner, thank you.
Looks like a giant
From a
tube.
Jeeposaurus.
From here. Let me see.
From a Jeeposaurus.
We got our switchback here. So check your altimeters. My altimeter reads 11,847 feet. The area that we came through, I'm not sure of the name of the mountain, but we came up through an active marble mine and up over the top of the mountain, past a couple of other mines. Not sure what they were mining there, but we dropped into this marble mine here.
We think it's quite a sight to see a large group of old iron cruising the high-altitude trails in Colorado. Thirsty Dirt Ranch sits at an elevation of roughly 8,000 feet, and each day the group traveled to elevations well above 11,000 feet above sea level.
Gibson, you got a good radio still?
As far as I know.
Cool. Can I impose upon you to be my tail gunner?
I can do it.
I'd be proud to have you, man. So here we are, close to the end of day one of the Fall Color Tour ride up to Boss Lake and through the marble mines. Right now we're headed down the mountain and headed back towards the Thirsty Dirt Ranch. We've got a few miles of jeeping to go before we get on the highway, but it's been a good day.
Stay tuned to Gone-Gpn for more Fall Color Tour coverage and some awesome walk-around video features.
And the Willie's train is coming.
Make sure you follow all of our social media accounts, click that like button, share our content, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.